Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 语 step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following 2 words and 1 sentence. Now let's write 语 This is a polyphone. It's pronounced as 语 or 玉 according to different context. 语 means and, to give, together. As 玉 means to take part in. For example, 与会 与会 to participate in a meeting. To participate. In a meeting. 与会交语交语 to hand over. 交语 to hand over. Be sure to tell people the benefits of attending. Be sure to tell people the benefits of attending.可以肯定地告诉与会人士的好处。可以肯定地告诉 tell 与会人士的好处。可以肯定的告诉与会人士的好处 the benefits. Be sure to tell people the benefits of attending. 可以肯定地告诉与会人士的好处。可以肯定地告诉与会人士的好处。Write 语 in cursive. Yu and to give together with. Yu to take part in. 与会 to participate in a meeting. 交语 to hand over. Be sure to tell people the benefits of attending. 可以肯定地告诉与会人士的好处。 Please comment any sentence with Chinese character 语 or 玉. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.